How to replace a Human Touch Novo XT Pro Plus Footrest Actuator. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, 6mm Allen wrench, 10 and 13mm open wrenches, wire cutter, and a zip tie. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Gently tip the chair onto its left-hand side. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 5 screws that secure the lower front plastic cover. Remove the cover. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 3 screws that secure the upper front plastic cover. Remove the cover. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screw and washer that secure the ground wires to the chair. Using a 10mm open wrench on top and a 13mm open wrench on the bottom, remove the bolt and nut that secure the front of the actuator. Catch the metal insert as it falls from the mounting point, then remove the white plastic insert from the top of the mounting point. Using a 6mm Allen wrench on the top and a 13mm open wrench on the bottom, remove the nut and bolt that secure the rear of the actuator. Cut the zip tie that secures the actuator cables together. Thread a screwdriver shaft through the holes in the connector junction box, then pry the box cover off. Disconnect the red footrest actuator connectors. Remove the actuator from the chair. Now, let's replace it. Using a 10 and 13mm open wrench, remove the nut, bolt, and inserts from the front of the new actuator. Place the actuator into position with the motor facing down, aligning the rear mounting points. Remove the twist tie that secures the rear inserts. Replace the rear bolt from the top, then replace and hand tighten the nut. Use a 6mm Allen wrench on top and a 13mm open wrench on the bottom to finish tightening the nut. Connect the actuator cable to the red connector from the chair. Position both actuator cables inside the junction box, with the cables running in one side of the box and out the other, then snap the junction box lid into place. Replace the zip tie to secure the cables together to the left of the junction box. Cut the excess zip tie. Remove the white plastic insert from the top of the metal insert, thread the insert through the front actuator mounting point from the bottom, then replace the top insert. Align the front mounting points, then replace the bolt from the bottom. Replace and hand tighten the nut. Use a 10mm Allen wrench on the top and a 13mm open wrench on the bottom to finish tightening the nut. Place both ground wire loops onto the ground wire screw, followed by the washer, then replace and hand tighten the screw. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to finish tightening the screw. Place the upper front cover into position, then replace the 3 screws to secure it. Place the lower front cover into position, then replace and partially tighten the first 4 screws. Replace and fully tighten the 5th screw, then finish tightening the other 4 screws. Gently return the chair to the upright position. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.